the evidence that tells us that you and Holy Ghost met is that there's an outpouring of power around your life. So you shall receive power after the Holy Ghost has come on you. The people who received this Holy Ghost, it came to a point where they began to pray. The place where they were began to shake because of the impact of what they carry. Meaning there's something you carry and you enter a place, the place will react. How God anointed Jesus of Nazareth with the Holy Ghost and with power, who went about doing good. It is impossible to have the Holy Ghost without good deeds and good work. Do you know what you have? Do you have the Holy Ghost?